guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us, the family. And I'd like to thank you so much for my supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, if you want to see how I got this hair transformation from this to this, you keep watching before and after. Today we're going to talk about hair. We're going to do a quick transformation with clip-in hair extension, one of my favorite. So you guys know it's been, I'm not sure, I feel around 4-5 months since I removed my hair extension, and I'm just let my natural hair grow. But sometimes it's good to take a little break. I was like around 10 years with hair extension. I took a little break for like 2 months a couple of years ago, but this is like a good break. But that doesn't mean we cannot change up our look with clip-in hair extension. Alright, so I have this set here that is absolutely gorgeous. The box is open because before film the video I do have to open the box and make sure the hair extension is in, everything is right. So this is full shine hair extension. They have amazing tape in, clip in, weft, a lot of top of the notch hair extension, 100% human hair, which is a must for me. So today let me tell you guys exactly the color of the hair extension. Let me just look up really quick. So this is full shine clip-in human hair extension. Is a 20-inch length and the color is ombre with light brown on the root to butter blonde mix with platinum blonde balayage. Ooh, real human hair extension, and it's 120 gram and 7 pieces hair extension. I'm going to have the link for full shine on the description of this video, and also if they have a discount code for you guys so you guys can save a little money, definitely is going to be also in the description of this video. I'm super excited. So when I opened the hair extension, I wasn't so sure about the hair color because as you guys can see, my hair is like gold when I open, because I already opened the hair extension, for check them out. They come really nice packed in this little hair net. When I opened the hair extension, I was like, I'm not sure, if the color is going to match, because, oh, this is so beautiful. The end of the hair is way lighter than my hair. Somehow, I think we're gonna make it work. So before we get this hair extension style, this is 20-inch. Look how beautiful this color is, and look this hair, how beautiful it is. The health of the hair is so beautiful, glossy, and you guys can see too, like the ends, they are beautiful and full all the way to the ends, which I love it. But I am obsessed with this color. One thing I love about the clip-in hair extension is how easy it is to change your look, get the length, get fuller hair, change the color too. If you want to just use some light pieces for do some highlights in your hair, you can do it. So they're really good for that. And another part that I love about clip-in hair extension too is the ability that you have to put them up when you need, like me, like if I want for a certain video or a different hairstyle, I just pop this beauty in, and then when I'm done later, I just take it out before. So let me put it the hair up. I'm separate, I'm not doing like a strictly separating the hair like really perfect. Now I like to go with the comb and just tease the roots. If I was going to go out to spend a long time with the hair extension on my hair, I definitely would put some hairspray on the root as I'm teasing, but since I'm going to be installing the hair extension now just for this video purpose, so I'm not going to do that. Okay. So the first clip, I'm going to go right here in the middle. Oops. There you go. 4 2. Okay, so we have 2 pieces with 4 clips. Let's go in the back with this one and separate the hair again. That also is going to be on the back, and then we're going to start to construct the sides. Okay, so I'm going to add this one right on the top of the one that we just had, because I still have space there. So our back extension, it's all old. Now let's do the sides. Alright, so now we're gonna go in for the sides first with the 3 clips, one in each side. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we have these two clips pieces, and these pieces is going to go here on the front. If you see it, I'm putting them in an angle going down, so because I don't want them like straight. It's just a way to do it for, you know, be easy to hide the tracks. So if you see they're going down, we're gonna do the same thing. And like I say, I'm gonna put an angle going down. It's easy for me to hide. Alright, this is the final look. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely in love. So what you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you love this hair transformation as much as I did. And like I said, the info for full shine is going to be in the description of this video if you guys want to try this gorgeous clipping hair extension. I love it. Look how beautiful this looks. Absolutely stunning. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Link in the description of this video. Bye.